Hi there, everyone. This is Jackie with Metascore, and I'm the head developer of our AI chatbot. And today we're going to do a quick overview of our AI chatbot, which you can find on the Metascore website. Our AI chatbot goes a step further than traditional chatbot. It can give you instant answer to technical questions, summarizing product detail information, and even help you to figure out the best Metascore product based on your role and industry. To get started, we will hop over to our homepage. You can find the AI chatbot in the bottom right corner. Just click on this little message icon, then the chatbot will pop up. When you first use it, you need to enter your basic information as you see here. Those information will allow our support team to reach out to you and help you out if the AI is not fully able to resolve your issue. After completing this form, just click on this start button. Then you can tap in your question here and chat with the AI. I will show you some typical example questions that customer would ask in the AI chatbot. For example, if you're new to Metascore and you have no idea what product is suitable for your needs, then you can simply tell the AI your role and describe your daily responsibility, and then the AI will recommend the right product for you. The question could be, hey, I'm an estimator, and most of the time I need to go to the job site to measure everything by hand with a pen and paper. What's the best product for me? And then the AI would suggest, hey, Metascore Mobile would be the ideal choice for you and give you a brief uh, introduction to its main feature and also provide the price page link and the demo link. That's make the information much clearer and easier to understand. And then just click on keep talking with me button. Then you can tap in another question. You can also ask a follow-up question like, hey, can you tell me what's the difference between the multifamily version and the retail version of Metascore Mobile? Then the AI will compare the two versions, list the price for each one, and outline the key feature for the two versions. Also provide any useful link at the end. The AI chatbot can also handle technical questions. For example, you can ask, how do I replace a tile in a specific area in Metascore 8? It will break down the whole process, get you step by step, and even attached a video tutorial at the end. And if you click on the video link, instead of playing from the beginning, it will jump straight to the exact time where that specific part is explained. So you don't need to waste the time to watch the whole video. You get straight to what you need. Even though our AI chatbot is pretty capable at most time, it may not always give you a perfectly accurate answer when facing some questions that are extremely complex. But don't worry, our support team got you covered. We keep an eye on every conversation in real time. The moment we spot any inaccuracy or chance to add more details to the AI's answer, we will reach out right away to ensure every one of your questions get answered correctly. At present, our AI chatbot is only live on our website and within Metascore CRM. However, we are actively integrating it into other platforms such as Metascore 8 and Metascore Mobile to provide in-product support. As the AI continues to evolve, we are confident it will deliver answers accurately and quickly. And the more you use it, the more feedback we will get to improve it. So don't hesitate to give it a try. Alright, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoy it.